Yo, what is going on, you guys? It's your boy Rocco here, back at again with another tutorial video, and I'm about to show you guys how to fix your render settings. And this is the NVIDIA issue. It is something going on with the drivers. I have no idea why this is happening. You would, if the method I'm about to show you is whenever you would try to like downgrade your drivers for NVIDIA, the way that you would do it is you'll go to your drivers and shit. Let me close this. And if you are set to, let me see, studio driver and downgrade, it will probably work from what I'm about to show you, but this method, you won't have to do that. So you will try to render your video, you go to customize template, and usually it will be set to NV encoder, which is your graphics card. And it will be set, you will have your shit however you have your render settings. It will be set to variable bitrate or constant bitrate, which for instance, it would be set to constant bitrate. It's set to 50 million, not 58 million, or 28 million, depending on how big you put the number, how big the file size is. So it's going to go to 1 GB. So if you try to render it, error will occur. To fix that, you would just render the video again. So you would just simply rename the title. This is a video I just got done editing. All you will have to do, have it set to main concept ABC. Set it to however you want it. For me, for instance, I'm going to go with constant bitrate, going back to 28 million. And then for system, no, yeah, it will be project. You will set the video render quality, set it to best. Keep it as use project settings, bro. Don't change it, because your project settings are your project settings right here. So mine would be set to this. These are my project settings. You can copy these settings. I have my full resolution render quality set to best. Motion blur type, it should be set to Gaussian. Yes, keep it at Gaussian. The resample mode, keep it at disable. I think it will be set to smart resample or force by default. I am not entirely too sure. Always start all projects with these settings, and then then you will just check this, because I forgot I had this off. Adjust source media to better match project settings or render settings. That will match how the way you would do your editing and all that crap. And you can change your frame rate to 120. I didn't know you can do that. You can set it to 60. If your sample rate for your sound, I think it would be set to 44,000. I have mine set to 48. I don't think you got to go any higher. But other than that, you would just click apply and then okay, and then you would just go back to rendering as so. So basically, that's all you will have to do. Other than that, I hope you did enjoy this tutorial. If it did help you, smash a like on this video. And other than that, I'll talk to you guys later in the next video, and stay tuned for the next video that's about to come out. Peace out.